Are you looking for a great sander that's easy to use? Watch today's video. Hi everyone, this is Ross with DIY on the House, and we've gone through a lot of Orbital sanders in our time. This one we found for this Christmas for my wife on Amazon, and this has been one of the best sanders we've had. And the reason it is the best sander is because this has a paddle switch on it, and it doesn't have that front button that wears out and you got to try to drive your finger into it just to get the thing turned on, and then you got to do it to get it off. And in the meantime, this thing's spinning way wacky out of crazy. So this is a nice little function they've got on this. This is a little lock switch right here. So when it's over to the left, you just depress the paddle and it's on. Bring it over to the right and it locks the paddle in place. So this is a big upgrade for us. We've had a lot of complaints over sanders over the years of that front switch or how to turn it off and on. This is just no-brainer. So you turn it over here, push the paddle, and it's on. It's kind of like a pneumatic DA that you use. It's just a paddle. So I'm going to show you real quick how it works and just how easy it is to use. All right, so I just cut this wood, and we're going to actually have this exposed to the outside. And we just take our sander and off. That's as easy as it gets. So as far as the sanding disc, it is a hook and loop, so just on and off Velcro. And it also has let me lock that up. And it also has a filter for it to catch all the dust, which has been very nice doing this project. So we'll just slip that back on, that easy. Take it off, empty it, and put it back on. So now I just unlock it, hit the paddle. That easy. We just love this sander. I mean, just for the ease of it. So if you're looking for a sander, you're tired of the switch up front, wearing out, can't get your fingers in there to get it turned off or on, this is the sander to use. We'll put the link down below so you can go right to Amazon and get yours. Thank you for watching DIY on the House. This is a tool we'll think you'll like, and thanks for subscribing.